Functions of the liver. Explained simply. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body. It works silently 24/7 to keep us healthy. The liver filters toxins from blood, removes alcohol, drugs, and harmful chemicals. Liver converts food into energy, stores extra glucose as glycogen, helps in fat, protein, and carbohydrate metabolism. Liver produces bile, which helps digest fats. Bile also helps remove waste from the body. Liver stores vitamins, iron and copper and acts as an energy reserve. Liver makes important proteins like albumin, which maintains blood volume. It helps in clotting factors, which helps stop bleeding. Liver also helps fighting infections and removes bacteria from blood. Liver also breaks down excess hormones and helps in maintaining hormonal balance. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you.